Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 1. Find 1 by 4 of A 1 by 4, B 3 by 5, C 4 by 3. And number 2 is 1 by 7 of A 2 by 9, B 6 by 5, C 3 by 10. Let us find. Let us question number 1. 1 of 1. That is 1 by 4 of A 1 by 4. 1 is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4 of means multiply, this is multiply 1 by 4, that becomes 1 by 4 for 16. This is the answer, 1 by 16. Now B is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 3 by 5, that will be equal to 1 by 4 of means multiply 3 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 4 for 20. Now C is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, that will be equal to 1 by 4 of means multiply, that is 4 by 3. 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, that is equal to 1 by 3. That is the answer. Now question number 2. 2a. Two A is 1 by 7 of 2 by 9 of 2 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 7 of means multiply 2 by 9, that will be equal to 2 by 7 63. Now B is 1 by 7 of 6 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 7 of means multiply equal to 6 by 5, that is equal to 6 1 is 6, 5 7 is 35, 35. C is 1 by 7 of 3 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 7 of means multiply, that is 3 by 10, that will be equal to 3 by 17 is 70. Right? This is the solution of question number 1 of exercise 2.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.